Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Nyo ndi Muganda be. Yo limto kuruhura. So today I'm just preparing our lunch. And we are preparing yams with cassava and then with pumpkin luombo. Something very interesting coming your way today, so we are going to prepare together our pumpkin luombo. This is very new. I do not find it common. It's kind of rare to very many people, so be with me. I'm here preparing our yams, preparing cassava that will escort our pumpkin luombo. Very delicious when it comes to yams and cassava. Though just the problem is one, when we are peeling them, they are kind of inchy. When you are washing them, they are inchy, so that's the only problem first when we are washing them. But this is one of the delicious meals that you would love to taste when you come to our beautiful Uganda. So today we are going to eat. We are going to have. Last time we have beef luombo. Right now we are gonna have beef pumpkin. Is that a right combination? I do not know, but still it's luombo. Yeah, it's beef in pumpkin, so I think that's a good combination. So you stay with me as we are going to prepare our what? Our pumpkin luombo. Thank you. I don't know why, but with time I'll come and explain where that inch thing comes from. I'll give you an explanation on that, because there is a science behind that. So I'll come with it. Oh my! Sorry. But I'll come with an explanation for that. Baba, this is so much. So I will not use this because this is very, very big. So these are our yams and cassava that we are going to eat in the near time. So this helps. Why we cover it up, it is that not letting that heat from the food get like escaping, so we keep it inside, making food getting like that helps the food get ready very, very fast. So that's why we cover it up, so that heat that comes out of food, we cover it inside, and then that coming under, so it will get ready in just 30 good minutes. Yeah, so we shall show you when it is ready. Thank you. We're gonna to cover. our food is ready. Oh my god, this is my best meal, eh? Among the dry foods, eh? I love this so much. You see how it looks when it is I love it. Oh my cassava. So this is cassava, but I think I should put it in another place. It is very sweet. Timala. So this is our food for today. I believe it's going to be delicious. Oh, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos that are coming. Very good food will be coming on your for you page. So please stand by. We love you.